The next set of icons is for the edit page. There's this blue wrench here, and there are a few things you need to know. The first one is this page name. Whatever shows up here is what will show up on your site in the navigation. So if you wanted to say contact instead of contact us, you would change it here. You also have the title tag. This is what shows up on the tabs. So when you click on each page individually, you can change the text up on top individually as well. Then you have the description tag. It is best to have just a sentence in here describing what the page is about, so that when people search through Google and the link shows up, there's that sentence underneath. Otherwise, it will be empty. We have allow subpages. So if the no is checked, that little green arrow on the landing page will not show up. If you click yes, it will then allow you to add subpages. Homepage you don't have to worry about. That only applies to the homepage. We have display and navigation. So even if you create a page and you click no to display and navigation, it means that it will not show up in the navigation. It will still be viewable on the web, but you have to have the exact link. You don't need to worry about confirmation page. You also don't need to worry about this navigation style or class name. We have custom URL. So down here it says offsite link and it says no. So if you have, it's most common with donate. So if you have a donate link on your, let's say in your main nav, and you want it to be a nav item, you can click yes and then put the link to whatever site that you use for donations, so that when you click on it, it will take it to that site. We also have page level here. So this is if you want to rearrange your pages. We have a few pages that have subnav. So if you click on one of these, it will take this page and make it a subnav of whichever one you click on. You also don't need to worry about page tags either. So if you've made changes, you can do update page. Otherwise you can hit cancel. And so those were the options under the blue wrench. This next one here is how you edit your content. So if you click on it, and if you have the inline editor, this will show up here. I'll go through these icons in a moment, but for now, that is how you'll be able to get to your page to edit. We have side column. So if you have a side column or if you have multiple side columns, you can edit the order here. It's the same drag and drop options here that's in the side column. We also have duplicate page. So up here there's an add new page, but we suggest just duplicating a page because it's a lot easier to replace existing content than to start with a blank page. There's also this lock here. So if you want to make people log in to access a page, you can do that as well.